Alright guys, welcome back to today's video. I'm at home. I had to rush home to download the new Fortnite update Season 8, so I'm going to be playing a lot of that, so I hope that you guys will join me and play along with me. But for today's video, I'm going to grab some wire out of the attic. I'm going to just cut a piece of this off real quick, and then I'm going to go downstairs. As you can see, I'm in the attic, so I'm going to cut a piece of this off, and then I'll show you today's video. Alright, so for today's video, we're just going to need a piece of wire and then a big fat wrench. Alright guys, so that was just a joke, but anyways, I found a razor right here, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to strip these out real quick. I can probably just slide the whole thing off actually, but it'll probably be easier if I just leave it together. And so what today's video is going to be, if you didn't read the title of the video, it's going to be how to pre-twist wires. Never really done it before, but we're going to learn today, so I got half of it off. I'm basically just going around this softly, not digging into the wires or anything. And then you just kind of bend it back and forth and break it. So I'm just gonna leave a little piece in the middle just to keep the wires together. I can pull out this, I call it unicorn hair, but I don't even know why it's there, but anyways, so you always have the paper on the ground, you always tear that off. I don't know why I'm telling you this, but anyways, I'm downloading the new Fortnite update, so I'm going to do this video in the garage. Just take this paper off, whatever. Okay, so today's video is about pre-twisting. So basically what that means is, I have some old wire nuts here. So basically, before you put the wire nut on and twist the wires together, you twist it before you put the wire nut on. So that's what pre-twisting means. I never do it. I've never had a problem. It's exactly the same thing. I'll show you both ways real quick. I'm just gonna cut these off, make them even real quick, except these are super old cutters and don't cut. So 1 second here, I got a garbage can. Yeah, these don't cut at all. This is what happens when you get old strippers, they just don't cut. So oh, that's because I got a hole blown out in them. If you can see, there's a hole in them where they got blown up. So that is also why. I used to use these forever. Basically, there's a hole in them right in the middle, but if you cut on the top or the bottom, it works just fine. So you just basically have to cut one wire at a time, sorta. So it's nice to have strippers that actually work. Okay, so that kind of worked there for a second until this wire got pushed out. I'm just trying to make them all even real quick. This video is supposed to be like 3 or 4 minutes, and I'm already at like 2 minutes, so, or whatever. So okay, so I'm just gonna strip the ends of these off real quick. Just pretend that these are all the same color. For today's video, it's just about twisting. This isn't about how to wire anything. This is just pre-twisting only. So it's not like I'm trying to match the colors or anything, so don't get mad at me. Wow, these strippers really suck. I've had this pair of strippers for like 5 years probably. So this is size 12 wire, 12-3. It's got the black and the red, and you always got your ground and your neutral. So you don't really count the ground. So you got your 3 wires right here, black, red, white, and then this is size 12 wire. So you put it in the 12 hole, squeeze, and pull. So this is pre-twisting. I've never really done it, so bear with me here. This is supposed to be a quick video, but anyways, let's just say we got 4 wires here. So you line all the ends up like this, and then you're just gonna grab it with your linemans or whatever you want to grab it with. Usually your linemans. I don't know, I don't do this stuff, but basically you grab it here, and then you're supposed to just like start twisting, which is a waste of time. I don't know how they do it, but we're gonna try here. So I think you just grab it and then start twisting. I was trying to do it wrong, I think. So basically it looks something like this. So basically it looks something like that. So before you put your wire nut on there, it's already twisted. So basically the wire nut is useless. The connection is already made. So when you put the wire nut on here, it doesn't matter how tight the wire nut is. I mean, obviously, it needs to be tight, but it doesn't matter because the wire is already twisted and connected. But I'll show you how I always do it. It's going to be the exact same thing, save you a lot of time. Some people are against it heavily, so a lot of people, there's a big debate online. If you go to like forums or whatever, like if you don't pre-twist, you're a loser or something like that. So anyways, basically, okay, you line all these up, put your wire nut on here, and then you just go ahead and twist this. You can have a drill attachment which goes onto your drill, or you can just grab it with your strippers. Is the way that I was taught when I was first couple of days on the job. The guy I was working with, this is how he did it, so this is how I've always done it if I don't have a wire nut twister. You can do it by hand, but you're not going to get the torque that you need to twist it. I usually just stop after a couple twists, and as you can see, if you take it off, it's going to do basically the exact same thing. I didn't go too crazy on this, but you can see they're all twisted together, and it's going to basically do the same thing. Granted, I kind of went crazy on this one, so these are a little bit more twisted. As you can see the spiral on it, but this is the other end I just did with the wire nut. It's pretty much identical. And unless you start backing it out, it's not really going to go anywhere. Granted, I didn't go too crazy, so if I do the equal force or whatever on both sides, it's going to look basically the same. So yeah, so that's pre-twisting. So I guess we learned a little bit of stuff together today, me and you. So anyways, I'll try to show you that again. I'll try to pre-twist the other one I already did. So just grab it and twist. I just don't think this is a good idea. I think it's a waste of time myself, but see, then all the ends are like, if you look at it, all the ends are in different spots if you do it wrong or whatever. I don't know, this is the first time I've ever done it, so see, like you got one end down here, one up here. This one didn't turn out too bad, but what I like to do is just cut all the ends equal, you know, line them up as I showed you at the beginning of the video, line up all the ends, and then just put your wire nut on and twist it, and then you're done. So anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I don't know how this video is like going to be 8 minutes, but that's how you pre-twist. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to check out the description for the social medias, and I hope that you play Fortnite so we can play together. Check out the description for that. Let's play Season 8 together. I got the free battle pass, so I'm going to be trying to get all the points and stuff, all the free stuff that you can earn. So hope to see you out on the battlefield. Catch you guys later. Peace.